doing quite a big print. What I've done basically is taken the... Oh, excuse me, let me just stop that. I've taken the this one. Yeah, the original print. Okay. Sorry. Right. So what I've done is I've taken the original print, which has got some weird artifacts on it, and it's one of these, and I just stretched it, and then I put holes in it to give it that shape. So yeah, you can. All right. Hole. So there's a box there which is deleting that section. There's another box there that's deleting that section to make it so that it's sparse. Okay, and that's now in here, obviously printing it. Now it's 240 wide. It's 240 wide because that's the width that I need in order to do the screen. Let me get the ruler. So the screen width, put torch on. Yeah. So the screen width, as you can see, is about 235. Okay, 235. So the print is 240. It's deliberately wider, right? Because I want to see if I can do the wide enough print one. Now, what I've done, of course, is I've cheated, as you can see. Let's put that so it's the top side on there. So obviously this is 220, and that's the maximum width you can do. So obviously, you know, I've done it at an angle. I'm guessing I could actually make it a bit wider. And if I make it, because this is actually a tilted back screen, right, then I need that width in order to give it the stability. Okay, but if I was actually just making a box for the monitor itself, I could make it narrower, right? Now, even though I can still make this a bit wider, I could probably make it maybe 250 or even 260, right, to actually make it so that it has a bezel around the screen, right? And that's what I'm going for. And so we're printing that. Now, I haven't normally printed, I normally print at the front. I don't normally print so far back on the printer, just simply because it's just more convenient to actually have it at the front here instead of somewhere in the middle, maybe, you know, because when it's down here it's just easy to get to. So that's what I've done. So I very rarely print towards the back, so it's a bit of a mess. Also, this is a 2-hour plus print, so I've cranked the speed to 200%, and I get a bit more temp as well. I've took it up to 220 instead of 200, and so that's what this. So we're going to have some blemishes there, as we can see. Got some there. The speed I altered, you can obviously see the defining line there where I altered it, and because this is actually printing at an angle, it's actually linear now. It's doing it along the lines. It's not doing a crosshatch. Well, it is doing a crosshatch, but it's because it's that way. I should have made it so that it was actually not in this direction. But I adjusted the back a bit as well, because it didn't seem like it was pressing up enough against the nozzle, so I made it up a bit higher. I think it's just sped up to the 200%. So hopefully it should take an hour. Yeah, so we'll see what happens.